Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today on this video, I will show you how to download iPados 17 beta on your iPad without Join to Developer program and make it easier. You don't have to wait for several more months to try out the new features that Apple promises to introduce with its iOS 17 update. There is a good news that you can get iOS 17 beta free now. Actually, installing the iOS 17 beta version has become easier than ever. So, I will show you the tutorial. First of all, please plug your iPad to computer with USB cable. Then go to UltFone iOS Downgrade Tool website. With this tool, you can downgrade or upgrade your iPad on iPhone without losing data. You can downgrade from iOS to any other iOS versions without iTunes and restore iPhone, iPad, or Apple TV to previous iOS system. And you can uninstall iOS 17 to iOS 16 easily with one click to download and install iOS 17 beta without developer account or iTunes. And can fix any iOS or iPados problem easily and compatible with the latest iPhone or iPad. With this tool, you can downgrade any iOS system with one click. Downgrade iOS 17 beta to other version within seconds, without jailbreak or root your iDevice. And remove iOS 17 beta without erasing and restoring your device. The easiest way to get rid of iOS 17 or other versions is to use UltFone iOS Downgrade Tool. And also can fix 150 and more iOS system, only one tool. Okay, please download and install UltFone iOS Downgrader Tool on your computer. It is available on Windows and Mac. But before you upgrade to iPados 17, make sure back up your data to make your data safe. You can use UltFone iOS Data Manager. With this tool, you back up, restore, manage, or transfer your iOS data easily, and it makes your data safe. Then go back to iOS Upgrade. Please click Upgrade button, and this tool will automatically search iOS 17 beta. Please select Firmware version and click Download. Make sure you have good connection to download it, and please wait. Then click Initiating Upgrade to upgrade your iPad automatically. And go back to iPad. Your iPad is upgrading to iPados 17. Please set up your iPad. Create new passcode. And don't forget to restore your backup from UltFone iOS Data Manager, so your data go back to your iPad again, and no data lost. I very recommend you to use this tool, because easy to use, even beginner can use this tool. You can check the link on description. Thanks for watching this video. See you on the next video. Thank you.